Hello and welcome to another update video about the S&P 500. Today we have seen quite a strong decline again in the stock market. This is of course here the S&P 500 chart, and we've talked about up here about an upcoming correction. So that warning was very helpful, I hope. Yeah, anybody who could take profits possibly took profits here at the latest when we broke below the trend line and then we came down. Now I told you that we will probably get into this region between 4,000 and let's say 4,100 and 3,950 US dollars. That is based on the retracement area here. Yeah, you can see that the length of the wave 3 and then the retracement, and this is the area between the 61.8% fib level and the 38.2% fib level. This is currently, the assumption is, this is a wave 4. Now, I can't guarantee to you that this is going to stay a wave 4. Because if we go down just a few dollars more, so if we cross the $3,948 level and get into the price range of the wave 1, we cannot count this anymore as a 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern. But I told you up here that this move down will be a stress test. Yeah, so we expected that move down, that this move down will be a stress test for the bullish scenarios. We are currently making a case here, or investigating the case for a bullish scenario. The bullish one still has a 60% probability. And yeah, I mean, at the moment it can still be a wave 4. And from here we would then primarily, in this scenario, expect a move up in a wave 5. At the moment, though, there is no sign of recovery, no sign of bottoming out, and we have really come down as much as we can in a wave 4. Now, if we cut into the price range of wave 1 and leave our target range to the downside, what would happen? I'm going to show you then an alternative target range for the next scenario, which would be the scenario that we are in a wave 2. And by the way, S&P 500, amazing. This reversal area worked out. This one worked out. A lot of money could be made here on the way up. Profits taken here. Now we are here. Now we need to reevaluate this situation. I think the chances that we actually go lower are not very low. So there's definitely a probability to break through this level. But in that case, we would expect here the region between 3,902 and $3,717. If we get into this region, it would be a wave 2. And I'll put that into yellow. And I call this alternative wave 2. Yeah. So this is the scenario if we drop lower than, or if we cut into that price range of the wave 1, then the first assumption would be we are in a wave 2. But then again, if we drop, if we drop below 3,717, then I think we are also going to lose the swing low here, the low from June, and will then get into this region, in which I would then expect the overall correction to finish. And that means we make one more low. Here I would then expect the correction to finish, and we move up from here. That is currently the roadmap. As I said, this is a stress test for the bullish scenario. We've currently seen a strong decline in the stock markets again. And I did tell you, we cannot guarantee that this will be a wave 4. It is the next logical step. But if we go below certain levels, we have to assume it's a wave 2, which means we have a 1, 2, 1, 2 setup, which eventually would be even more bullish. But I can't also guarantee you that the wave 2 is holding. Yeah? Therefore, it is always helpful, if you want good confirmation, to actually wait for the first impulse to complete. Now, this would only happen if we now reverse to the upside and finish off a wave 5 and then pull back in waves A, B, C. If we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, we need to wait until the entire impulse is complete for confirmation. Then we can improve probabilities, but you might not want to wait that long. So if you trade earlier or invest earlier or whatever, you need to understand that the risk is still higher. Okay. But yeah, that's my update about the S&P 500. So these are the key levels that are now of relevance. If we now leave that target area to the upside. So if we break above $4,100, then we could assume that the wave 4 is finished and that the bottom is in. Until that's the case, both possibilities are there, wave 4 or wave 2. Okay, and that's my update about the S&P 500. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And maybe also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.